40,000 square meter smart manufacturing base. 266 million renminbi company-owned industrial park. A complete manufacturing system covering R&D, processing, assembly, and delivery. As a manufacturing company specializing in smart equipment and complete production line engineering for nanomaterials, Boyee is using its strong manufacturing capabilities to support the industrialization of advanced materials. From R&D and design to equipment manufacturing, Boyee has established an integrated R&D and manufacturing base. The base is equipped with standardized assembly workshops, welding workshops, machining workshops, a warehouse center, a ceramic processing workshop, and comprehensive supporting facilities, forming a complete equipment manufacturing system. High-performance material processing equipment depends on precision manufacturing of core components. Boyee has in-house machining capabilities and high-precision processing equipment, enabling the independent machining and manufacturing of key components. For nanogrinding applications, Boyee also provides supporting solutions for high-performance zirconia grinding media, ensuring efficient matching between equipment, materials, and processes. A 5,000 square meters standardized assembly workshop supports the batch manufacturing and complete equipment delivery of large-scale equipment. From wet bead mills, dry bead mills, mixing and dispersion equipment, and homogenizers to industry solutions for solid-state electrolyte production lines, silicon carbon anode production lines, carbon nanotube production lines, LFP production lines, battery slurry preparation, MLCC electronic ceramics, inks, and coatings. Boyee delivers solutions ranging from individual equipment to complete production lines. A 4,500 square meters professional welding workshop provides manufacturing capabilities for large equipment structures. For nanomaterial processing equipment, Boyee provides reliable manufacturing support for large tank structures, equipment frames, customized automation equipment, and engineering support structures. A high-standard smart manufacturing base and strong delivery capabilities. Boyee Industrial leverages stable production capacity and strong R&D capabilities to help customers move from process validation to large-scale manufacturing.